Imagine turning your iPhone into a personal assistant that works exactly the way you think, automating tasks you didn't even know were possible with just a few lines of code. If you've ever felt limited by the built-in automation options on iOS, or wished you could create truly custom workflows that go beyond what shortcuts can handle, then Scriptable might be the game-changing app you've been looking for. Scriptable is a powerful JavaScript automation engine that runs natively on iOS, giving you unprecedented control over your device and the ability to create sophisticated automations that can interact with apps, process data, and even create custom widgets for your home screen. What makes Scriptable truly special is that it bridges the gap between simple automation and full programming capabilities, all while maintaining the security and sandboxing that makes iOS safe. Unlike other automation tools that rely on pre-built actions, Scriptable gives you the raw power of JavaScript to manipulate data, make web requests, interact with iOS APIs, and create completely custom solutions tailored to your specific needs. Let's start with something practical. Say you want to create a morning routine that checks your calendar, fetches the weather, and sends you a formatted summary. In Scriptable, you'd begin by using the Calendar API to fetch today's events, then make an HTTP request to a weather service to get current conditions. The beauty is in how these pieces connect. You can process the calendar data to extract just the information you need, format the weather data exactly how you prefer it, and then combine everything into a notification or even save it to a note. The script might look complex at first, but it's actually quite straightforward once you understand the basic structure of making API calls and processing the returned data. But where Scriptable really shines is in its widget capabilities. You can create completely custom home screen widgets that display exactly the information you want, updated in real time. Imagine a widget that shows your upcoming meetings, but only the ones in the next 4 hours, with color coding based on the meeting type. Or a financial widget that pulls data from multiple sources and calculates your net worth, updating throughout the day. These aren't just static displays either. You can make widgets interactive, so tapping different parts triggers different actions or opens specific apps with relevant data. The data processing capabilities are where things get really interesting. Let's say you're tracking habits across multiple apps and want to correlate the data. With Scriptable, you can pull information from your health app, combine it with data from productivity apps through their APIs, and create comprehensive reports that give you insights no single app could provide. You could track how your sleep quality affects your productivity scores, or how your exercise routine correlates with your mood tracking data. One of the most powerful features that sets Scriptable apart is its ability to work with web APIs and process complex data structures. You can create scripts that monitor stock prices and send alerts when certain conditions are met, pull data from your business systems to create mobile dashboards, or even integrate with home automation systems to create location-based triggers that work more reliably than standard HomeKit automations. The learning curve is definitely steeper than drag-and-drop automation tools, but that's also what makes it so powerful. You're not limited by someone else's vision of what automation should look like. If you can think of a way to solve a problem with code, Scriptable can probably make it happen on your iPhone or iPad. What's particularly clever about Scriptable's design is how it handles iOS limitations. Since it runs within the app sandbox, it can't do everything a computer script could do, but it works within those constraints in smart ways. It can trigger actions through URL schemes, work with the share sheet to process data from other apps, and use iOS shortcuts integration to trigger scripts from voice commands or other automation tools. The community aspect is worth mentioning too. There's a thriving ecosystem of shared scripts, from simple utility functions to complex applications. You can find scripts that create beautiful weather widgets, manage your task lists across multiple platforms, or even create games and interactive experiences. The Scriptable subreddit and various GitHub repositories are goldmines of inspiration and ready-to-use solutions. For anyone who's felt limited by the automation options available on iOS, or who has a programming background and wants to bring those skills to mobile automation, Scriptable opens up a world of possibilities. It transforms your iPhone from a consumption device into a true productivity powerhouse that works exactly the way your mind works. If you're ready to take your iOS automation to the next level and create truly personalized solutions that no App Store application could ever provide, download Scriptable and start experimenting. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into productivity tools that can transform how you work with technology.